Hello everyone, this is Vega to you, and today I want to explain the use of dake and shika ... masen. So, dake, it means only, and so does shika ... whatever masen. So, dake can be used with particles, but it's generally replaces ga and o when the dake is used. So, for example, if we're doing Toshio-san dake, and you wouldn't have the ga that is usually there, sakubon bun o kakarimasu. So only Toshio wrote an essay. Or ringo dake tabemasu. So I eat only apples. Or I only eat apples. Instead of ringo o tabemasu, as in I eat apples. Yeah. I mean, when you're say using a noun, it's departo dake de. So we're saying at the department store. 買い物をしました. I shopped only at a department store, as opposed to デパートで買い物をしました, as in just I shopped at a department store. Could have shopped anywhere else as well. When kero is used, when dake is used with verbs and adjectives, the plain form is used. So if we're doing 海に行っておよいだだけです, so I went to the beach and only swam. Oyoida is the plain past of yogimasu, or oyogu, oyoida, yeah. And then ringo wa yasui dake desu, so it's only, that apple is only cheap, it's not anything else. And then they followed this up by saying, oishiku ari masen yo, which means that apple it isn't delicious. Then shika can be used to express the meaning of only, but it can only be used with a negative ending. So if we're looking at watashi shika shirimasen, so only, I know that, or whatever. So you've only got that bit of information. Or ringo shika tabemasen, so it's the same as I only eat apples, which we had before, but instead of having the positive ending, we have the negative ending for the same sentence, still meaning I eat only apples. And again, shika is not only used with adjectives. It's not used with verbs and adjectives. It's only used with nouns like ringo or tashi or whatever. Sometimes they're used together for emphasis, so it'd be watashi dake shika shirimasen, so only I know that. And it's really emphasizing because it's got both dake and shika as opposed to just one. And dake can also be used to mean not only but also. So if we're in this sentence here, 女の子だけでなく、男の子もその高校へ行きます。So not only girls だけでなく not only girls, but also boys. So 男の子も and then go to this high school. その高校へ行きます. So yeah, that's how you use it. So it can be used for not only and but if you're using dake. For shika, you must always have a negative ending, and for nake, it's just a simple means only, and it's just thrown in. Ashika can be used with any particles except for ga and or, which just doesn't get used with. Anyway, hope you found this informative. This has been Vaga to you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.